In November 2019, Nina was diagnosed with oral dysphagia through a swallow study. That means Nina has trouble swallowing. She cannot have solid foods because she will choke, nor can she have runny liquids because it goes straight into her lungs. And that will develop into pneumonia, which is why in 2020, she had to undergo surgery to get a gastrostomy feeding tube. So this is a gastrostomy feeding tube. We get it every 3 months from the medical supply company, and it comes in a set. And so you see the gel, and that's the tube itself, and then we have the extension port and the syringes. Nina's gastrostomy feeding tube is not permanent, It has to be replaced every, can you tell them how many months? 3 months. And we don't go to the doctor to get it replaced, but Mama has to do it herself. So when we went to see the doctor for a follow-up visit after her surgery, I asked for his permission if my mother-in-law can take a video of him teaching me how to replace the tube. That way I kind of have a guide when I do it at home. And the first few times that I did it, it was nerve-wracking. But as time goes by, I think I'm getting better at it. I still make sure I pray before I do it so I don't make any mistakes. But we hope this video will help you learn something. We just want to warn you, there's a portion in the video that's kind of gross, so be prepared. But we also hope that this video will help parents out there who have kids with feeding tubes.
So first off, we always use jelly, okay? So always make sure that you have jelly available in order to put this back in. So I just usually kind of squirt it onto the table or onto a little cloth. I'm just going to show you what the balloon looks like. So this is the balloon, this is the Mickey. This one has 5 cc's that you put in it, and we'll put water in it, but this is what it looks like. So that tube, that balloon is now on the inside, and that's what holds it in place, okay? And then when we connect it, all that fluid wants to come back out, okay? So we're gonna put water in here, and that water is gonna fill that balloon. I'm gonna have you pause for a second. And that water is gonna wanna pop right back out, yeah.
I've been checking the water.
I love it. You've been doing a great job. So this is easy for you. That's great. Yep. And then go ahead and pull it out. And if it ever feels like it gets a little snug, yep, that's why you have it, right? That's why you have that. I'm gonna get that for you. And then then go ahead and just go ahead and put it back in. Yep. Yep, you're not gonna hurt anything because it's really in there good, okay? Twist it just a little bit. And if that ever happens, yep, there you go, okay? Now hold it down and put the water in. Good job, sweetheart. There you go, good. Yep, all done. That's it.
Oh, you're a champ, Debbie.
You got it. Okay, I think